Coming up in this video, I'm gonna be showcasing six different tonic waters that work so well with Kuro's Soft Peach Gin. So if you want to know, if you've got a sin or sin this, if you've got a bottle, if you want to know how to mix it, what tonic waters to use, stay tuned. Hey, Steve the Barman here, and this channel is predominantly all about helping you to drink, enjoy and serve better quality drinks. Primarily focusing on gin and tonic and gin cocktails. But if you like the sound of that, if you like what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button. Welcome back gin fans, this is part 2 of the 3-part trilogy all about Kuro's Soft Peach flavoured gin. It's an absolute cracker of a gin. In the first video I told you this kind of story behind Craig and John, the owners of Kuro. I told you how they make the gin and what botanicals are in it. In this video it's all about the tonic water serves, and I've got 6 of them coming up, so let's just have another list. Lovely, actually, really like this. Right, so coming up, 6 tonic waters I've got. I would normally do 5, but I found the 6th one at the last minute completely by chance. I wasn't going to use it, but it is amazing. So coming up, the first one, you can't go wrong with this. Fever Tree Mediterranean or Merchant's Heart. Let's get rid of my coffee. Merchant's Heart floral tonic water. They're lovely. As I keep mentioning, you know, I'm not a huge fan of the Fever Tree Refreshingly Light and Mediterranean. I do like the full fat version, but again, either of those two, absolutely amazing as a gin and tonic with that. Really, really lovely. The peachiness still comes through, really lovely. So you can't go wrong with those two. And then sticking with the Fever Tree theme, we are going Fever Tree Elderflower. Again, an absolutely lovely serve. For me, I actually slightly prefer it to the whole Mediterranean thing. I think that works. Elderflower peach just goes hand in hand together. Again, this is the full fat version, not the refreshingly light, but I really the combination of the two work exceptionally well together. So that's the second one. As normal, again for me, I needed a little bit of fruitiness going on with the tonic waters. Again, 1783, normal Fever Tree. I wasn't a huge fan of those as a sort of classic gin and tonic, but a sort of normal-ish tonic that I did find, again, was this. I've used this in a couple now recently. This is Fentimans Connoisseurs Choice Tonic Water. Slightly premium, and it's got juniper, they've got kaffir lime leaves in there, they've got lemongrass in there. It just kind of worked. The floralness of that, going with the peachiness of the gin, an absolutely stunning gin and tonic. So let's keep these up here one side. That's the 3 there. Now, other tonic waters to use. We're going peach. What worked quite well for me was cucumber in this. Okay, so I've got 2 here. These are sort of readily available. This is, I'll put them there on the close up. So the first one, we've got Schweppes 1783 cucumber tonic water. Most supermarkets will have that in cans. The other one we've got is lamb and Watt cucumber. Now for me, the difference, I would go lamb and Watt. Just got a slight edge of sweetness on there for my own personal palate. However, I do like the Schweppes 1783, bags of fizziness going on in there. Either or, I'm not going to disappoint you. Peach, cucumber, exceptional, good, lovely gin and tonics. Really, really lovely. This is the one. This is the 5th one I'm coming to now. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one. This is kind of a last-minute addition. I wasn't going to use this, but do you know what? It just actually works really well. This is Double Dutch's Pomegranate and Basil. As a finished drink, kind of there is a little bit of peachiness in there, but as a finished drink, again, absolutely lovely. So, you know, that'll work as well. But my out and out serve for this gin, this is Double Dutch's. We're on the Double Dutch theme. This is the cucumber and watermelon. Might need just to bring that back there. Cucumber and watermelon, and oh boy, what a finish gin. Can't really call it a tonic because it's not a tonic. There's no quinine as such in that, or that one. The quinine in the 3 is in actually Double Dutch's cranberry and ginger. These are technically just mixers, but oh boy, it works so well. So if you're not a fan of that huge bitterness quinine thing in tonic waters, this is going to be a stunning serve for you. I call it a tonic water to all intents and purposes because the bottle, it looks like a gin and tonic. You stick in a gin balloon, people are going to think it's a gin and tonic. I say it's just technically a mixer, but oh boy, it works. So I hope you enjoyed that. There's 6 different tonic waters. As I say, if you want to be traditional purists, they're the 5. We've got the cucumber and watermelon. We've got Connoisseurs Choice, Fever Tree Elderflower, and Fever Tree Mediterranean. If you want to throw that in there as well, that does really work. It's kind of you're probably more of a cocktail serve than anything. But there we go. So that's been part 2. Coming up in part 3 in the very next video, I've got 3 amazing cocktails for you that you can use, that you can make using this gin, whether you're at home, whether you're in a pub and bar. So look out for that one. That's coming up next. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then I'd appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to follow me on a daily basis, then you can find me every day over on Instagram at Steve the Barman. I'd love to hear from you, so make sure you send me a DM to let me know you found me over on YouTube. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.